Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Makeup Pout. I'm your host Sarah Khan and today we are going to talk about how you can include mint in your skincare routine and the amazing benefits it offers. Let's get started. Mint face mask. A mint face mask will leave your skin feeling fresh and glowing. Ingredients are 1 tablespoon of fresh mint leaves paste, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of
The
yogurt.
method is first grind the mint leaves to make a smooth paste. Mix the paste with honey and yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with cold water. Your skin will instantly look fresh and bright. Mint toner. Mint toner helps tighten your pores and control excess oil. Ingredients are 1 cup of water and a handful of fresh mint leaves. The method is boil the water and add the mint leaves, let them steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the water cools down, pour it into a spray bottle. Use this toner daily by either spraying it on your face or applying it with a cotton pad. This natural toner will tone your face, skin, and tighten your pores. Mint and cucumber eye mask for dark circles. To get rid of dark circles, the combination of mint and cucumber works wonders. Ingredients are 1 tablespoon of mint leaves paste, 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice. Method is make a paste of mint leaves and mix it with cucumber juice. Apply this mixture to your under eye area and leave it on for 10 minutes. Wash off with cold water with regular use and you will notice a reduction in dark circles. Mint scrub for oily skin. If you have oily skin, this mint scrub will work great for you. Ingredients are 1 tablespoon of mint leaves paste, 1 tablespoon of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of rose water. Method is mix the mint paste, oatmeal and rose water together. Gently scrub your face using circular motions. This scrub will help remove excess oil and dead skin cells, leaving your skin smooth and oil free. So guys, these are just a few ways you can use mint to enhance your skincare routine. If you try any of these methods, let me know in the comments below how it worked for you. If you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Makeup Out. Hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I upload a new video on this channel. And I'm Sarah Khan and I will see you in the next video. And for more information, you can visit my website Makeup Out. Goodbye.